Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English very fast. To begin, immerse yourself completely in the language. Try to listen to English audio for at least 30 minutes every single day, whether it's music, podcasts, or news. Also, make an effort to speak English with native speakers whenever possible. This immediate and consistent exposure is crucial for accelerating your learning journey and building confidence quickly. Next, incorporate active learning into your routine. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes daily to speaking practice, even if it's just talking to yourself. Aim to learn 10 to 15 new English vocabulary words every day using flashcards or a notebook. Additionally, spend 20 minutes daily reading English books or articles that interest you. These focused activities will significantly boost your comprehension and fluency. Consistency is truly key when learning English quickly. Establish a regular study schedule and stick to it, even if it's for short periods. Make sure to review new vocabulary and grammar rules frequently to reinforce your memory. Remember, making mistakes is a natural and essential part of the learning process, so don't let fear hold you back from practicing and improving your skills. Finally, make the most of the many resources available to you. Utilize language learning apps for engaging and interactive lessons that fit into your busy schedule. Watch English movies and TV shows with English subtitles to improve listening and reading simultaneously. Also, seek out online communities or language exchange partners to practice conversational English regularly. These tools will greatly enhance your learning experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.